The vegetable soup is starting to boil.
I will let it cook slowly for lunch.
What is that loud noise? It sounds like a truck.
Oh no! The garbage truck is coming! I forgot to take out the trash bins!
The truck is moving fast. I must rush. I have no time. I must go now.
Wait! Why is it snowing today? The air is freezing. It is very, very cold.
Wait! Please stop! Don't go yet! I missed it. The truck is gone.
Now I have to pull these bins back to the house.
This bin is so heavy. My arms are shaking. I am freezing. My skin is turning blue. Wait, why is the door not opening?
Where are my keys? Where did I put them? My keys are on the kitchen table!
I am locked out. I cannot get inside.
The soup! I left the stove on. The soup is boiling too much. It might burn. This is an emergency. Smoke means fire.
Is anybody home? Please open the door. Nobody is responding. Where is everyone? It's family day. There is no school today. My brother and sister are upstairs in bed.
I love this song. The bass is very loud.
Jack! Emma, open the door! Jack! Emma, open the door!
New plan. I will use snowballs. I will aim at Jack's window. Right on target! He must hear that! Go, go, go! Take that, aliens! Look at me, Jack! Look out the window! Look at me, Jack! Look out the window! This game is so much fun. I love Holiday. Now I will try Emma's window. My hands are so cold, I cannot feel them. Bullseye! Come on, Emma! La la la! I love this rhythm! My fingers are numb. I touch them, but I feel nothing. Wait! There is a ladder! A ladder has steps. I can climb to the window. It is so heavy. My muscles are weak from the cold. I can do this. I must save the soup. 1 step, 2 steps. Be careful. The metal is very slippery. There is ice here. Whoa! It is too slippery! My hand is sliding! This is too dangerous. I cannot go higher. I need another way. I am so cold. Nobody hears me. I am a yellow ice cube.
What a lovely morning for a walk. I hope my neighbors like lemon cake.
Oh my goodness! Is that you, Toby? Yes, Miss Peterson, I'm so cold.
Oh, you poor thing. Let's get you warm.
What are you doing out here in a t-shirt?
I am locked out of the house.
You are like ice. How long have you been here?
Almost 1 hour, Mrs. Peterson.
Come inside right now. You need to get warm.
Sit here, right by the heater.
Thank you. This feels like heaven.
I will make you some hot tea.
The steam looks so beautiful.
It does, dear. Almost ready. Careful, it is very hot. Sip it slowly.
Thanks, Grandma.
You're welcome, dear.
This is the best cup of tea in the world.
Mrs. Peterson, can I use your phone to call my dad?
Of course, dear. Here you go.
Dad, please answer the phone. It's Toby.
No answer again. He must be at work.
Are your siblings home?
They are home, but they cannot hear the doorbell.
They wear headphones. Always headphones.
Oh, I understand this. Headphones are a challenge.
I threw snowballs at the windows, but nothing happened.
Yesterday, my Wi-Fi stopped working at my house. We actually had to talk to each other, face to face.
What happened when the Wi-Fi stopped?
We played board games and read books. My grandson Tyler ran downstairs so fast.
He ran down because the internet was gone?
No Wi-Fi is an emergency for teenagers.
Totally, Grandma.
I thought so.
Mrs. Peterson, do you know where's the cable box for our house?
It is on the side wall, the gray box.
I have a desperate idea. Thank you for the tea. They need Wi-Fi. If I stop it, they will come out.
This is it. The cable box. The internet box.
This brings the internet to the whole house.
If I disconnect this, the internet will stop.
I have no choice. I am very desperate.
3, 2, 1. Da!
Oh no! I pulled too hard! It broke!
I didn't mean to break it, but the internet is gone now.
Now I wait. Will they notice?
What? No! The Wi-Fi is down! Emma! Is the internet working for you?
No, my music stopped. This can't be happening.
Check the router. Is the light green? I'm on it. Almost there. Hurry, Emma! I see it. Green!
The router is red. Something happened outside.
Hey, why did the Netflix stop working?
Dad, you are home? I disconnected your internet.
Toby, you're freezing. What happened out there?
It's so cold.
How long were you out there, son?
I was locked out for 1 hour. I rang the bell.
I'm so sorry, Toby. The doorbell must be broken.
The soup! The soup is burning!
No! The smell is terrible!
The soup is totally burnt. There is nothing left.
All that work for nothing. Dad, why were you home? I thought you were at work.
I took the afternoon off. What happened here? I was downstairs in my man cave.
He was watching Netflix while you were freezing!
I am wrong. I'm sorry for turning off my phone.
You have to do the dishes, Dad.
Yes, 1 month. No complaining.
Make it 2 months.
Okay, 2 months of dishes. I promise.
Are we expecting someone else? Mrs. Peterson, come in.
I brought the cake. I can smell that your soup burnt.
Lemon cake for lunch! This is great!
Yeah.
Looks amazing!
Mrs. Peterson, you're a lifesaver.
Oh, it's my pleasure.
Wait, Dad, Toby, the Wi-Fi is still down.
About the Wi-Fi, I have bad news.
Toby, you didn't unplug it. You broke the whole thing.
I did not mean to. I pulled too hard.
How do we fix it? I need my music!
I can order a new cable, but it arrives tomorrow.
Tomorrow? A whole day without internet? Actually, this is perfect.
Why is it perfect, Toby?
A whole day together. No screens, no headphones.
We can actually talk to each other.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
What a lovely idea. A family day without Wi-Fi.
Board games? Like real games? Yes! Family games! No Wi-Fi required!
Enjoy your day. This is good for families.
I am never going outside without my keys again.
I am starting my 2 months of dishes now.
Okay, I am the blue piece. Emma is red.
I forgot how much I like this game!
I don't miss the internet at all.
What was it like out in the snow for so long? It was cold, but really exciting. Did you really almost climb the ladder? I was 10 feet high! The wind was blowing!
This is the best family day ever.
Maybe I should break the Wi-Fi every month.
No! Don't do that!
I am joking! I am joking!
We don't need the cloud when we have each other.
Today was a very long story.
Let's hear all about it, son. Dishes are harder than work.
I am ready for a nap. A warm indoor nap. Don't forget your keys, and don't forget your family.
Ha! My move!
Oh, you got me!
Family time is very important. The end.
I am so sleepy. I need juice.